Hello everybody. Today I am with Mr. Yalçın. We are just in a place, it's just done, the construction, and it's doors and windows installed roughly, and right now he's gonna do the arrangement, the final settings. Yes, Mr. Yalçın, please, you can just start up. This is a French window system, and in this system mainly we have some problem during the winter time that the wind comes behind of the sash. So Mr. Yalçın now just take the glass beads off, and now he's feeding the glass with some plastic parts so that the material is gonna be more solid and more fixed. It's gonna reduce, even it's gonna stop the wind that comes behind of the window sash. He put the plastic material, he feed the glass, and he put some silicone on it, and he's checking, and now, as you see, the material is more more strong, and the okay, yes, just do it, and it already stops the winds that comes inside of the house. It's very good step for increasing the isolation of the window. Yes, Mr. Yalçın, thank you very much for your help. Thank you. Have a good day.